Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share the recipe of nettle lips which we call Sisnu in Nepal. And at first I have prepared all the ingredients. In this recipe I have added taro leaves and ladyfinger as well. And I have prepared some garlic, green chili, red pepper, tomato and cut all the ladyfinger into small pieces. Here I'm not using any mixture jar for green it. I have green all the mixture with my hand. I found handmade paste is more tastier than blender paste. Finally here is the paste is ready. And finally I have prepared all the ingredients, so here we start. First heat the pan and pour some amount of water. Let them boil and make sure you have used hand gloves when you wash nettle leaf cause it is very stinging. And then after when the water is boiled, put all the nettle leaf into the water and then mix it properly. And then after few minutes add all the taro leaves. Mix it all and let them boil. I think most of the people were unknown about this dish. So here I explain it. This nettle leaf is very beneficial for diabetic patients. It has the power to protect your kidney and the gallbladder health as well. And after a few minutes I have added the paste and added chopped tomatoes and mix all the ingredients very properly. And then added white salt according to your taste. And then blend all the ingredients very gently. And blend it until it's become smooth and thicker. And then add some amount of corn flour for better flavor and make it more thicker. And then blend it until it will cook very properly. And I can share this recipe to you all so that you can also try it once at your home. And it is very beneficial for your skin, hair and many more health issues. Finally it is ready to serve. Hope you all enjoy this recipe as well. If you try it once you will love it. And here I am going to serve it with millet porridge. And you can have it with porridge, rice, tortillas, whatever you like. Thank you everyone. Hope you all like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for more recipes.